Imagine driving a piece of history that not only turns heads, but also tells a story of resilience and craftsmanship. The 1953 GMC Pickup isn't just a truck. It's an icon that bridges the rugged spirit of post-war America with timeless design. But here's the twist. What makes this classic stand out even decades later? Stick around as we dive into the untold legacy, quirks, and why collectors are still chasing this vintage beast today. The 1953 GMC Pickup showcases a robust and boxy design, featuring rounded fenders, a bold chrome grille, and a split windshield. Its solid steel bodywork emphasizes strength and functionality, while the wooden bed with metal strips adds rustic charm and durability for hauling tasks. Inside, the cab is simple yet functional, equipped with a single bench seat and straightforward gauges that highlight its utilitarian roots. Under the hood, this truck boasts GMC's reliable inline six-cylinder engine, known for its dependability and adequate torque for towing. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, the 1953 GMC Pickup offers straightforward performance. While its top speed and acceleration may be modest, it remains a favorite among farmers and small business owners due to its reliability and ease of maintenance. This model is particularly significant as it was one of the last before GMC introduced automatic transmissions in their trucks. It represents a pivotal shift towards innovation in the automotive industry. Today, restored 1953 GMC Pickups are often showcased at classic car shows and parades, cherished for their nostalgic appeal and representation of mid-20th century Americana. In the collector's market, vintage GMC pickups like the 1953 model are highly sought after. Many owners choose to modify these trucks by adding modern V8 engines, updated suspensions, and custom paint jobs, while preserving their classic exterior. These trucks symbolize reliability, craftsmanship, and American ingenuity. Owning one is both a tribute to history and a testament to timeless design. If you enjoyed this look at the 1953 GMC pickup truck, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more classic car content.